Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today I want to talk about microneedling. And for you guys who don't know me, my name is Alex, and I've been suffering hair loss since I was 18 years old, but I was able to recover from it and get full set of hair like I have now. So in today's video I want to talk about microneedling. And microneedling is something that can take your hair to the next level. And there are several ways to use it. Some guys use it to wound the skin on the scalp, to stimulate hair regrowth, to stimulate collagen production and so on. And some use it to increase absorption of topicals, right? And in my case, I use it to increase absorption topicals because I kind of find it most effective way to do it. But of course, there are other ways one can use microneedling as well. And what I have done since 2013 or last 7 years is basically use Derma Roller on my scalp, and I use it in combination with minoxidil. Minoxidil is a growth stimulator that helps to stimulate hair regrowth, but in combination with doing derma rolling or microneedling, it can make your hair grow even faster and like improve basically your hair regrow so many times more, right? And if you check my old pictures, how my hair was looking before, you can clearly see how I was able to take my hair to the next level by adding microneedling in combination with minoxidil. So it do work, and there is no question about it. And the good thing about microneedling is that you can stop with it anytime, right? It's not like with minoxidil that if you stop in the wrong times, you can kind of experience hair loss. With microneedling, you can stop with it and you still will keep your hair, right? And as with all other treatments, basically, you also need to address all the underlying issues that are going on regarding your hair, because if there is problems in your scalp like inflammation, or you're not blocking DHT, or there is other things that are causing problems like deficiencies and so on, then microneedling basically won't work, right? So it is important to understand it. And it's also important to understand that if you kind of do microneedling, you need to be sure how often you are doing it, and understand that if you're doing very aggressive, so maybe you need to take longer breaks and so on, right? So there are different things to look into and potential problems, right? Another thing is that if you do it too often and for a long time, it also can overstimulate your scalp, because observation of too much of, let's say, growth stimulators can also be damaging and can lead to hair shed afterwards. So you need to be kind of careful, but if you do it correctly, microneedling can really take your hair to the next level. And for you guys who need help with hair loss, who want to solve this problem, you can schedule a call below this video. Let's talk and see how I can help you with my rapid regrowth program. Thanks for watching, guys, and speak soon.